What's going on, everyone? Welcome back once again. Today we're going to be making some elote dogs. Now, I first had this at a place in Seattle called Cycle Dogs with my good friend Greg Bennick. He is the eggplant juggler in the eggplant parmesan episode. And these blew me away so much that we're going to have to recreate them here. So this is really just a Mexican style way of preparing corn, which ordinarily is roasted over a fire. But in this case, we're going to do it in our home, so we're just going to use our oven. I have made a little piece of foil that I folded up the sides so that nothing falls in, and I'm just going to pour in a can of corn. Absolutely ordinary can of corn. I didn't do anything to it, but I drained the water. Now this step is going to be the and add a ton of flavor. I'm just going to bake this on 450 degrees for about 20 minutes until the corn becomes just a little bit blackened and it begins to really dry up. That's it. So it's been about 20 minutes and it hasn't quite turned black yet everywhere, but the corn is really starting to dry up and that's what we're really looking for. So we're going to keep this going and we're going to go ahead and start to cook the hot dogs. And when we are done with the hot dogs, this should be done and ready to go. Heating just a bit of oil in a skillet. Of course, you can just use a non-stick pan. We're just going to saute some vegan hot dogs and some onions and peppers. I'm going to add just a few spices to these. I'm going to add a little bit of pepper, some garlic powder, and some onion powder. As the hot dogs and onions and peppers are almost done, I'm going to go ahead and toast the hot dog buns that I have. I'm just going to toss them right in the toaster oven with the corn. These are looking pretty done. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the heat. All right, coming back to our oven here. We can see now that some of the corn is turning just a little bit blackened. That's what we want. And we're going to go ahead and transfer this over to a dish. I'm just going to pour this out of the foil and into this bowl. Now we're just going to add a few things to this. We're going to add a bit of vegan mayonnaise. We're going to add a bit of vegan Parmesan cheese. We're going to add some cilantro, a little bit of garlic powder, and we're going to add this spice that you're going to find in the Hispanic and Latino aisle on your grocery store called Tajín. And basically all it is some chili powder, some salt, and some dehydrated lime. So you can just add some chili powder, salt, and some lime juice if you have that. Mix that all together. So this is actually awesome just as is, but we're going to go ahead and put it on our dogs to finish this up. I'm using kind of a larger hot dog bun. These are really French bread rolls so that we can just get more stuff in there. Take a vegan dog with some peppers and onions. We're going to add the elote, and there you have it. These are absolutely addicting, and give these a try. We'll get some final pictures of that, and I'll see you next time.